I took out all the wood, got to sand it and get it ready to paint. And so today I'm going to prep the inside of this. We got the paint, we got the primer, we got all the stuff. We got to fill in all the little holes. There's some little holes here. We got to touch up, fill it all in. I've also got these gaps here around the windows on this thickness right here that is inconsistent. And so my thought would be to fill it in with some plywood and screw it together. The problem is that up at the top it's thicker, so it's not uniform. So I think I'm going to spray that with some expanding foam, fill it in, and then shave it off and clean it up. So I'll show you how I get that done. We're going to tape off all the window, all the way around the window, the whole window, so none of that foam gets on the glass. Then we spray in the foam into the crack, let it expand, then shave it off, and then we can take off the tape and all that. So I'll show you how that's done. I've got 3 windows to get that done. We've got the holes here, the seams in between, and then down at the floor, down at the base, where we need to caulk down there. So I've got a little touch-up work, clean-up work, and then we'll be ready to primer this thing and hopefully put some paint on it tomorrow. Might put some primer on it today, we'll see. All right, now you can see I've got caulk in the holes and I've sprayed in the expanding foam. And so got it all in, got the windows covered. I'm giving it a little bit of time to dry, and then we'll take a sharp knife and trim down the sides of the window to knock the foam out. And then this trailer will be ready to prime and paint. So it's looking good. Filled in the gaps just like I thought it would. So we can leave the plastic over. I use plastic trash bags, so we can use the plastic over the windows while I paint. And that way we don't get paint on the windows. Looking good. This is the next day. I've let it dry for 24 hours, and you can see how the expanding foam all came out, and it's all nasty and ucky and junky. This is another one of the other windows filled in. So you got those 2 windows. Well, I trimmed the 3rd one already with my knife, and you can see the foam. It's much in it's packed in. It's filled in the gap very nice. And we'll put some primer and paint over it, and it'll settle it all down. The leftover looks like that. And so there you go. And there you have it. 1 coat of Kills primer sealer and 2 coats of Dove White interior semi-gloss paint. We bought the Sherwin-Williams, what is this? Sherwin-Williams Infinity paint in the Dove White. And the reason we did, I bought 5 gallons of it, is we have this in our house and we need to do some touch-up painting anyway. So we're gonna already buy this paint. We already have this color. It's a soft, creamy type white, so hopefully it won't have as much intense glare whenever we fire up the LED lights in here.